Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to plant a pineapple plant. But before we do that, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any video on my channel. And I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. If you did it, make sure you go subscribe and turn on that notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up to support this 7-year-old. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, my mom has this beautiful flower, fall flower set. It's very beautiful. It has red and brown and yellow flowers with this beautiful sign. It says, "Bless this home." And we have this beautiful I love pumpkin spice candle that my mom is burning up in the kitchen. I love it. It smells so good. And now let's move on to the video, guys. Peace. So guys, I searched up how to plant a pineapple, and it says that you could do it by cutting it or twisting it, and I'm gonna be twisting it. Hold on. All right, we got it out. Now you have to make sure if there's no seeds, flesh, so there's no flesh. And then they told us to take off all the things that are underneath the everything that's underneath here. So we're gonna take it out by pulling it. I'm gonna take it out. Oh, okay. So up. So I'm gonna put it in the water so it can grow. So guys, now we're moving up onto this pineapple. We already put this top of the pineapple inside the water so that there was just a little bit of roots. But you could take out the thing that's on top of this part of the pineapple. Then you can leave a little bit of roots because those roots are for when the pineapples grow. So now we're gonna twist off this root of the pineapple. Let's twist it. Come on. Yep. Twist it and twist it until it gets out. Twist it, guys. Yes. Almost there. Let's twist. Now we are gonna pull off the dead parts of the pineapple. This part of the pineapple. So let's pull it off. Yeah. And remember, guys, you can leave a little bit of the roots there. Yeah. Sure. Let's get it off. We're gonna take off this pineapple parts of the top. We're gonna take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. We're gonna take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Woo! off. Take it off. Let's take them off. Let's take them off. 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 Take the day. Take the day. Take them off. I'll take them off. Take them off. Ding, 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 off. Do, 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 do. Okay. So guys, remember, leave a little bit of the roots there so it could grow. Now let's put it in the water straight. There you go. Now, it's going to be about 2 days for it to grow. Ooh. So this is a close-up of it, guys. I'm going to put it in the water. As you see. So let me explain to you. Once you put it in the water, the middle part of the pineapple will start growing new parts of the pineapple, new parts of the top of the pineapple. So that's how it's gonna grow. And by the time the second day, 2 days, when it's on Saturday, you will see the roots trying to grow. So I'm so excited until this grows. You see the middle of the pineapple. Okay, this one is more bigger, so I can explain. So you see the middle right here where I'm putting my fist in. You see that middle part will be growing new, the top of the pineapple. So that's how it's gonna work. So happy, and yeah, so that's how you grow pineapple, guys. And guys, without the head of the pineapple, it's okay, you could neatly eat this pineapple. So yes, you can still eat the pineapple. Because the wolf.
Sticker today?
Yeah.
Pretty ponies?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Which one do you like best?
I like this one, Rainbow Dash.
That's Rainbow Dash. That's Rainbow Dash and Pinkie Pie.
Yeah.
Rainbow Dash is my favorite one, too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And don't be scared.
It's okay. Bye.